Good morning, guys. We're going to hang out here and take a look at Bitcoin, and I want to let you guys into my world of, what am I looking at here as far as where we're going to be heading this week and how are we going to make money this week. If you guys have been following me in the actual membership over here, I'll talk about this real quick. It was $95 a month. We actually dropped this $20 a month. You guys will get access to all the metrics I'm about to show you in this video for crypto and stocks, as well as you guys will get access to all the scalping trade calls, which we did call a trade call out over the weekend, just for our members. We're not calling them out on YouTube anymore, just because, look, guys, you as members, I want to just honor you guys for paying, and so we're going to give you guys the trade calls. We haven't lost a single scalping trade yet, and we are at 440% more than the S&P 500. So I'm looking for more calls here, and those of you guys who use the correct 4% take profit on this trade. If you guys know, you know. Great job for those of you guys who were able to take that. What I'm looking for now is actually for this market to see a little bit further move down here and then look to get into some more scalping trades. So the first thing I do in the morning is I like to come over here and go to tradeconfident.io and then just take a look at the crypto charts. So what I'm seeing this morning is that we're getting a couple sell signals on the daily time frame for Bitcoin. Now, the last time we ended up seeing a compilation of two of these in a row here, we ended up seeing a little bit of a market extension to the upside and then a really nice actual downtrend, which is lower highs and lower lows. And so I wouldn't doubt if we actually start seeing this play out again, because we can see if we just circle these sell signals here on Bitcoin, it's been honestly pretty staggering how well these have actually called the market moves back down. So we can obviously see this called the exact top candle here before I move back down, the exact top candle here in this downtrend before the move down, literally at the exact top candle, literally exact top candle. And now we're getting this consolidation period over here where we're seeing two sell signals. Now that's on the daily time frame, and you guys can watch this on all the coins. Real quick on Ethereum, this is something I just am paying attention to in the back of my mind. We did get a sell signal over here a couple days ago. And so, one day ago, because this is this morning. On the 14th, we got this. So this is another sign, guys, that I do believe a correction is coming in the market, and it potentially could be a pretty big one this week. For those of you guys who have this indicator, which this metric here, guys, these two on the website, we coded into an indicator. So you guys can get them on TradingView now and do what I'm about to do next, which is show this to you guys on different time frames, which is what I really encourage you guys to do to try to predict what's going to happen here in the next few hours or 4 hours. Let me take you guys down to the 1 hour time frame real quick on Bitcoin. Here's what I've been assessing. So we ended up seeing the metric here did an absolutely incredible job at calling a sell signal at the top of this area up here, and then we saw them move back down. That was great. Sell signal, and then we got what's called a strong sell, predicting the market move down. We got a sell and a strong sell on these two candles right here, literally the top candles before the move down, called the exact bottom candle and the exact bottom candle. I'll say this, guys, I honestly don't believe there's another metric that can beat this. I did not code this. Is actually a friend of mine. This has been 4 years in the making. This thing is insanely accurate. And this weekend, I actually set up 60 alerts. So for those of you guys who are like, look, I don't want to spend a ton of time staring at the charts all day, do what I did this weekend. I just set up alerts. I have every single strong buy, strong sell, buy and sell on the daily time frame set up. And I've got this all set up on buys and sells in the 4 hours you guys can see here. So I'm literally so good to go over here that if something happens, I'm going to get an alert. Which, speaking of getting alerts, that is how we were actually able, and how I called these exits for you guys over the weekend. So if you guys look at Doge, for example, we called this exit. Why? Because we got a sell signal with the metric that literally called the top candle before we started moving back down. Sheeb up here had a sell signal on the top candle, which is why I called the exit for 50%, and we can successfully buy back in lower. So look, guys, the membership's great, and I'm going to call this out for you guys, but if you want more power in your hands, snag the indicator in the description below. I want to talk about one more thing, but I just want to kind of jack you guys up and just talk about this real quick because I thought this was awesome. We've had traders just in the last, let's say 72 hours when we launched this guy down here, he's like, I've already made my money back. He purchased the indicator. It was awesome. He's like, great indicator. Already made my money back. 2 people purchased and made their money back within 24 to 48 hours. This guy down here who's using our older indicators, the trend exhaustion, he's like, hey, Travis, I'm back to let people know I'm making above $1,000 per month from your indicators easy. Trend exhaustion and price just one money flow are my favorites. All credit to Trust. So that's pretty awesome. So I just want to come out here and just encourage you guys because the market's, seeing this move up here. This is time to be making money. The metrics are calling tops and bottoms. You guys can use those to make money. We're also calling out scalping trades, and we haven't lost anything. We're 440% more than the S&P 500. So how do you take advantage of this money-making opportunity? Honestly, guys, snag the indicator in the description. That's the first thing, so you guys can predict market moves up and down. If you previously purchased our bundle pack, we'll give you a huge discount. Just email in. And then secondly, guys, snag a membership over here because I'll end up calling these trades out for you guys just like I did on the weekend, and I'll use the correct take profit this time on the next one. How do you trade in this market so you win no matter what? And I'll make this pretty fast here. Here's what we did, guys. We took our account and we split it into two portions. We've got, I've never shared this with you guys on a video before, so let me share this with you. At the exact bottom here of Bitcoin, our long-term HODL account literally is $50,000. So let's do this. At the bottom, we have $50,000 in a long-term holding account, which we've been trading, and our break even on this account, just so it's fully transparent, is $150,000, okay? We are down just like everyone else because the market has crashed, since December. So here's the deal, guys. This account has $50,000 basically at the exact bottom of crypto. This account over here has about $50,000 as well at the bottom because we got in really close to the bottom. This account, we're up $6,725 since we bought in low and we're trading that. But here's the deal. When you guys are trading, or let's say if tomorrow or this next week the market really starts going up and just starts getting bullish, this account over here is going to gain money, and I'm going to be excited because that will make thousands of dollars this week if we start heading up nicely. But on the other side, if the market starts moving down here to the downside and we do see a crash and Peter Schiff is correct and we do see $10,000, we can use this other account to buy more coins as the market crashes. So if it goes up, we make thousands of dollars over here in our long-term holding position account. But then if it goes down, we can use this account to buy more coins. We are going to benefit either way, and that's what I really want to drive home on this channel of how to, honestly, guys, trade with peace and trade with wisdom here, because you really gain no matter what happens. So ending this video here, guys, snag the indicators. This is in the description. I am looking to get money back into this market, but I do believe Bitcoin could head down just a little bit further, guys, at this trend regression. I'm going to show you guys this right here. I do think we could head down to possibly right at this area about $23,000. That's where I'm going to be looking to get most of the money back in. I do think we can see a little bit further move down here. So watch 23,000 to be my call to get a decent amount of money back into the market, and then we'll ride it back up, guys. But I love this. Subscribe to our channel as well as our membership over here, guys. It was $95 a month and we dropped it to $75 a month. You'll get access to all the trade calls I make. Not only the trade calls, guys, you'll get access to all the exits we make and then buy back in lower. So all the scalping trade calls, you'll get access to all that, as well as the tops and the bottoms of where I call it out. If you guys want the top and bottom indicator, you guys do need to purchase that separately. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. Come over to our website, go to indicators, and you guys can purchase that right here. If you do purchase the bundle pack, email us after you do this. We will actually end up giving you guys a discount code so you can purchase this for really, really cheap. Buying the bundle pack first and then getting the discount code is actually $1 cheaper than buying the new indicators outright, okay? The bundle pack gives you access to not all indicators. It gives you access to the 9 indicators you guys see with the bundle pack because this is sold separately, as we've mentioned before. So the new indicators are these right here. Snag them in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video, and watch these on the lower time frames and the daily time frames to predict what's going to happen next to help you guys make good trading decisions. I love you guys. Subscribe. I'm looking for more scalping trades to take, and I'll see you guys in the next update. All right. Love you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.